Okay, so now open your literature books to page number 79. Page number 79, children. Page number 79. Have you opened your books? Bhavika, settle your camera. You are tilted. I
Ma'am,
can see.
which?
Page number 79, Abdul. English literature book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Now we've got a very interesting story here. A nice lesson. Look at the pictures first. On page number 79, you have some pictures given there. There are two animals given over there. Alia, can you name the first animal? Alia, can you name the first animal there, the green color one?
Turtle.
Turtle, very good. Children, complete that spelling. Turtle. Turtle. Ashika, what is the other animal over there?
Ma'am, snail.
Snail, that's right. Snail. Snail. Now put your pencils down. We will discuss the other two questions orally. Then I'll send you the answers, the picture, and you can complete it. Where do they live? Myra, सोच के बताइए. Where do they live? These two animals. They live on land or they live in water?
On land.
Snail. They live on land or water? This is a big one, the sea snail. Okay, and that turtle is there, the story. According to the story here, they both are living in the sea. Otherwise, आपने कभी कभी अपने घर में देखा होगा छोटे छोटे snails. You must have seen snails, they walk on land also. And some turtles also, they walk on land also. You must have seen. किसी ने turtle देखा है कभी? Manvi has seen. Okay, Manvi. Shanawar has seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Many of you are raising your hand. So you've seen a turtle and snail also you must have seen. उसकी बैक पे ऊपर एक शेल होता है. Ashwika has not seen. Who has seen a snail? Vani has seen. Satakshi has not seen. Ishi has seen. Okay. So the snail and the turtle. This story is about a snail and a turtle who used to live in water. Right? Now, but the question is where do they live? Then according to the lesson, they live in the ocean, the big ocean, जब बहुत पानी होता है. They live in that ocean. Do they have anything that is same? आप दोनों एनिमल्स को देखकर सोच के बताइए. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो दोनों एनिमल्स के पास है? If you know the answer, raise your hand. Yes, Taiba?
Snail. मैम दोनों बहुत स्लो वॉक करते हैं. बहुत स्लो वॉक करते हैं. शेल.
ओके, दोनों स्लो वॉक करते हैं और एक चीज जो दोनों के पास है दैट इज शेल. दैट इज अ शेल. दोनों की बैक पर देखिए शेल है. ऑल राइट. Now the next question says name any two sea animals stronger than them. Now two animals जो सी में रहते हैं and they are stronger, उनसे ज़्यादा strong है. Can you name other two animals that live in the sea, in the oceans, in the water?
Ma'am.
Yes, Myra. Name one animal.
Blue whale.
Satakshi is saying blue whale. Okay, Satakshi, thank you. The blue whale. And one more.
Ma'am, shark.
Shark. Okay, Hania, thank you.
Ma'am, shark.
So, children, you are very smart. You know the animals, the water animals also. Very good. So, we have the blue whale and the shark. All right. So, I'll be sending you the pictures. If you can do it yourself, you write it. BLUE. The last answer, number 4, you write BLUE, blue whale. WHALE. BLUE, blue. WHALE, whale. And B पर लिखेंगे SHARK, shark.
Ma'am, तो कर दीजिए.
BLUE, blue. WHALE, whale. On A you write that answer and B you write shark, SHARK. Satakshi, you finished? All right.
Repeat कर दीजिए.
And the other two questions, where do they live? And the next one, do they have anything that is same? Those two questions, where do they live? They live in the sea or they live in the ocean? Yes, Arjun?
मैम थर्ड वाले पे क्या है?
Number 3 is, do they have anything that is same? Yes, they both have a shell. You can write it down. YES, yes.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Welcome. YES, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
They both have
Ma'am,
Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now we are doing it from number 4, 3 and then 2. Number 3, yes, they both have a shell. Yes, they both, BOTH, both have a shell. SHELL, shell. And the second one, where do they live? They live in the sea, or you can write ocean. SEAC will be easy for you, so you write SEAC.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Alia.
Excuse me, ma'am. Number 2 पे क्या है?
Number 2, where do they live? They live in the sea, or they live in the ocean. Both anything you write, both will be correct.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये आप ग्रुप में भेज देंगी.
रोशनी, अभी हम बोल रहे हैं, आप लिखते जाइए जल्दी जल्दी बेटे. Sit straight and write.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mustafa.
मैम नंबर 3 क्या है? नंबर 3.
Yes, comma, they both. Number 3 is yes, comma, they both have a shell. All right, now put your pencils down, fold your hands and listen carefully to the story. Put your pencils down, Shinavar. Yes.
ये जो अभी आपने
All right, Bhavika, I'll do it. Okay, Bhavika, I'll send it. All right. Now fold your hands, children. Listen to the story. Put your finger there. I'm reading the lesson. Follow in the books. Long ago, a sea turtle lived at the bottom of an ocean. बहुत टाइम पहले एक सी टर्टल था जो सी में रहते हैं. वो ओशन में सब बॉटम में रहता था. बॉटम मीन्स राइट डाउन, नीचे रहता था. ही वॉज स्मॉल एंड वीक. वो छोटा था और वीक था. वीक मीन्स बहुत कमज़ोर था. नियर द टर्टल लिव्ड अ सी स्नेल. अब टर्टल के साथ साथ वहाँ पर एक सी स्नेल भी रहता था. The snail was very proud of his pretty shell. Now, what happened?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh, you just joined. We are doing English literature, page number 79.
Okay, ma'am.
And you have to be quick in joining. You've joined very late today. Alright, children. So, there was a sea snail also there. And the sea snail had a shell on its back. उसके बैक पे शेल था और वो बहुत प्राउड था. He was very proud, बहुत शो ऑफ करता था. And then what happened? उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था अपना शेल और वो हर समय सबको यूँ दिखाता था. He was very happy with his shell. He was proud. That means he was very happy कि मेरे पास तो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ है जो दूसरे के पास नहीं है. वो उस टाइम पर टर्टल के पास शेल नहीं था. The turtle did not have a shell. According to the story, the turtle did not have a shell. Now turn the page. Come to page number 8080. Put your finger there, I'm reading. One day the snail said to the turtle, "Look at my pretty shell. It is very strong too." अब टर्टल के पास जाकर उसने बोला, स्नेल ने टर्टल के पास जाकर बोला, देखो मेरे पास तो कितना प्रिटी शेल है और ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग भी है. बहुत प्रिटी भी है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग भी है. और जिस समय वो ये बात कर रहा था ना, वहां पर क्या हुआ? सडनली देयर केम अ ह्यूज शार्क. इट pounced on the snail. Now look at the picture, children. Look at the picture. On the right hand side you can see the shark, you can see the turtle, and you can even see the snail. Suddenly there came a huge shark. एक बड़ी सी शार्क ने आकर स्नेल के ऊपर ऐसे कर जंप करा. And the snail got frightened. Then see the next line says, "Help me, help me," screamed the sea snail. अब स्नेल जो था वो डर गया और शोर मचाने लगा, "Help me, help me." The turtle quickly swam to help the snail. टर्टल कितना अच्छा था ना. पहले वो स्नेल उसको पास जाकर शो ऑफ कर रहा था और टर्टल ने लेकिन उसको जब प्रॉब्लम में देखा तो तुरंत उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए चला गया. The turtle quickly swam to help the snail. The turtle kicked the shark in the nose. What did the turtle do? The turtle kicked the shark in the nose. The shark cried out in pain and swam away. शार्क को बहुत तेज चोट लगी और वो जोर से चिल्लाकर वहां से स्विम करके दूर चली गई जल्दी से. "Thank you, my friend," said the snail. "I was proud of my shell. I will give you my shell. I will get a new one." Now children, the snail, they can grow a new shell. जो स्नेल होते हैं ना, उनका अगर शेल गिर जाता है तो वो न्यू शेल ग्रो कर सकते हैं. तो स्नेल ने यहाँ पर टर्टल से बोला, मैं अपना शेल तुमको दे देता हूँ एज अ गिफ्ट एंड आई विल गेट अ न्यू वन. So the turtle was very happy. He says, "Thank you," said the turtle with joy. "We shall be friends forever." अब हम हमेशा के लिए फ्रेंड्स बनकर रहेंगे. The turtle got a beautiful shell, but he never showed off. So the moral of the story is, हमारे पास जितनी भी अच्छी चीज़ें हो, कुछ भी हो, हमें कभी शो ऑफ नहीं करना चाहिए, प्राउड नहीं होना चाहिए, दूसरों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए, दूसरों की चीज़ों को देखकर हमें ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि उसके पास तो ये नहीं है, मेरे पास ये है. We must not show off. जो स्नेल था वो शो ऑफ कर रहा था ना अपना शेल से, और फाइनली क्या हो गया? Suddenly the shark came and the shark was going to eat him up, but turtle saved him. Now The difficult words I'll be sending you today, you will write them in your copy and you will learn them up. Right? Now come to page number 81. If you have your color pencils with you, take out any one color from there. If you have your color pencils with you close by, I told you keep your bags with you when you're sitting for studies. So just take out any one color pencil and we'll complete this exercise. Look at number 1. The turtle and the snail lived in page number 79 पे हमने पढ़ा था. We read the snail and the turtle, they lived at the bottom of an ocean. So you have the options there: lake, pond, ocean. Lake, pond, ocean. So भाविका कहाँ रहता था turtle और snail कहाँ रहते थे? Lake, pond or ocean?
Ocean.
Ocean. Okay, put a tick over there. Ocean. Color that box. The small little square box. Color it up. And then with your pencil you can write the word over there. Ocean.
Ocean की spelling बोल दीजिएगा.
OCEAN. An ocean. See the last word over there. The last option, Bhavika. Okay, the next one.
ब्लॉक में क्या करना है?
उस बॉक्स को कलर करना है शनावर. एंड ओशन वाले बॉक्स को कलर करना है. एंड देन यू कैन फिल इन द ब्लैंक. नेक्स्ट. Yes, शनावर. The next one. The turtle was dash. Strong, weak, lazy. Sidra, the turtle was strong, weak or lazy?
Weak.
Weak, yes, that's right. Beginning of the lesson, we are told that the turtle was weak. So color that box, weak. Then the next one, the snail was proud of his speed, shell or face. Ahmed?
Yes, ma'am.
The snail was proud of his speed, shell or face. Shell, that's right. Color that box, shell.
मैम कौन सा कलर इसमें भरना है?
Any color you use, any one color. All right, Hania, the next one.
Ma'am, SHELL.
Yes, Bhavika. Okay, Hania. The shark was dash. Huge, small or sad? The shark. Huge means very big. Huge means very big. Huge, Huge, huge. That means very big. And number 5, the snail was saved by the dash. Snail को किसने सेव करा? Shell, shark या turtle? Arisht? Turtle. Okay, color that box. Okay, color that box. Put over there, learn, children.
मैम 5 वाला क्या था?
The snail was saved by the. Snail को किसने सेव करा भाविका? The shell, shark or turtle? Turtle. Very good. Color that box. All right. Now the next exercise. We'll do it tomorrow since your time is over for the class. Take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you. Today I will send the difficult words. You'll learn them out.
Bye, ma'am.